So today we are at Pragati Maidan to cover the Sial New Delhi exhibition, a leading show for the food and beverage industry. So come with me, let's go inside.
Do subscribe to our channel if you want to watch latest videos and coverage from the world of exhibitions, trade shows and events across various industries.
So my name is Zaira Lakhani. I am the designated partner of Niva NutriFoods LLP. Our brand name is Fit and Flex Granola. So we have launched our products in 2019 November, and we have quite a good coverage in India market. We are available in 11 cities in India, and we are exporting to Dubai and USA also. We do private label. We are available in more than 5,000 stores in India and all on online platforms. Yes, so the event was quite good. After COVID, people are coming to stalls and expecting some good business after 2-3 days, and we're looking forward.
Hi, my name is Bharat Bhalla. I'm the founder of You, which is a new consumer food brand that has come up with 100% natural instant meal bowls that is free of any preservatives or added chemicals. It's our first time over here at Sial, and very happy to see the response, very happy to have everybody back over here after 2 years. A lot of good startups over here that have shown a lot of food innovation. So really glad that new concepts are coming up and we get to see them over here at Sial.
Hi, I am from Goodrop Wine Cellars. My name is Sanjay. I have come from the head office in Bombay. We have been here since morning 10 o'clock. The response at Win Expo has been so far so good. We have still received close to about 250 to 270 people at our stall, and I am glad to say that they have appreciated our wines. They were shocked to know that these are Indian wines, the great quality wines that we make, and when they got to know that this is from our very own area, which is Nasik in Maharashtra, they were glad and they were happy about it. Looking forward for more crowd tomorrow. Thank you, Win Expo.
We are from Meghalaya, and this pavilion is specifically from Meghalaya, and we have different entrepreneurs here. So we are representing MEC products. So I am Dombe Warisa Esmara, and we are representing MEC products here. And today the turnout is quite good, and we got quite a good response from people, and also like good response for all our products also. So overall it's very good. So we could meet the branding and packaging people also, and we could meet good buyers and sellers also. So I think overall it is absolutely okay.
हमने ये वाइन एक्सपो पहली बार रिप्रेजेंट किया है, एंड फॉर अस इट इज़ एन एक्सीलेंट एक्सपीरियंस, एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू मिस्टर सुभाष अरोड़ा जिन्होंने हमें ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी. सो हम बेसिकली वी आर ए ग्लास कंपनी, सो वी आर कमिंग फ्रॉम ऑस्ट्रिया एंड वी आर कंसिडर्ड टू बी वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ग्लास कंपनी इन द वर्ल्ड. सो रीडल के लिए जो हमें उन्होंने एक्सपीरियंस दिया, एंड विद द वाइन हमारा ग्लास जो है बहुत जेल करता है कि किस तरीके के ग्लासेस किस वाइन के साथ चाहिए. सो वी मैन्युफैक्चर ग्रेप वैराइटल ग्लासेस, जिसमें हमें पता लगता है कि किस तरीके के ग्लास होने चाहिए। तो यहाँ पे आगे हमें ये पता लगा कि जो लोग आ रहे हैं वो एक्चुअली वो एक सीरियस लोग हैं, उनको वाइन का आइडिया है, उनको ग्लास का आइडिया है। हमने और बहुत सारे एग्जीबिशन में पार्टिसिपेट किया है जहाँ पे लोगों को ये लगता है कि अगर कोई ग्लास थोड़ा बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है या थोड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा प्राइसिड है, वो क्यों है, लेकिन यहाँ के लोगों को पता है क्योंकि वो वाइन के अंदर इंडल्ज हैं, वाइन का उनको पता है, वाइन की नॉलेज है उनको, तो उनको पता है कि रिडल का मतलब क्या है जी।
रिस्पॉन्स कैसा शो का है?
रिस्पॉन्स जो हमें मिला यहाँ पे, टू बी वेरी फ्रैंक, अगर आप मेरे से पूछते हो तो मुझे ऐसी आशा नहीं थी जिस प्रकार का हमें रिस्पॉन्स मिला है। द रिस्पॉन्स हैज़ बिन ट्रिमेंडस, वेरी गुड, एंड पीपल रियली अंडरस्टैंड दिस ब्रांड। आई वॉज वेरी अमेज्ड टू सी दैट पीपल आर अवेयर ऑफ दिस ब्रांड। हम जब भी हमने कहीं पे अगर एग्जिबिट किया तो लोगों ने हमसे पूछा कि ये ग्लास इतना महंगा क्यों है, लेकिन यहाँ के लोगों को दे नो दिस ब्रांड। सो फॉर अस इट वाज definitely a very good experience.
Good evening. My name is Mushir Alam and I take care of exports market in Anmol Industries. Anmol Industries, we are actually manufacturer of biscuit, cookies and cakes, and we are manufacturing biscuits since 1994, and we are on third rank in India in terms of quality and distribution throughout India and across the globe as well. Currently we are covering more than 36 countries in exports and entire north, east and west India into domestic market. As far as Sial response is concerned, yes, we did get some good response, but most of the response was from the domestic market.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sushil Mansotra. I am head international business in Hamdard. So let's come, I can show you the new products, what we are doing, and what we have a new concept we are launching in the market. We just launched this sugar-free Ruafza because in India there are lots of people are like have a diabetic. So we are just launching this product, so people can use this product who are diabetic can use this product. Then we are launching this honey. It's a natural honey, pure and natural honey. Then this is the like export pack of Ruafza. This is not domestic pack. This we are doing in export market. We are selling all over the US, Canada, Europe, GCC countries, Asia, Australia, New Zealand, everywhere. And after that we have this product called Nariyal Pani. We just launched this product, Nariyal Pani. And this is new product, totally just launched few months back. Then Hing, this is Hamdard Hing. We just launched this also. Okay. And no, we just also introduced Isat Isabgol. And we are coming with this milkshake and lassi.
Hi, my name is Rajan Sharma. I am the Managing Director of Inter Ads Exhibitions, and it's our complete pleasure to come back after COVID with a bang with Sial and Vinexposium. Both the shows have been extremely successful, both in terms of exhibitors. We are completely sold out inch by inch, and as far as visitor footfall is concerned, it has been much more than what we ever expected. It only goes to show how the industry is reacting back and how the industry wants the exhibitions to come back. Because end of the day, face-to-face can never be replaced by anything else. And this is a living example of what the exhibition industry is all about. At Sial, despite the fact that we've not had any international visitors or international exhibitors due to the restrictions, we still have international representation from the local consulates from Austria, Belgium, Canada, New Zealand, and we have an extremely successful live demonstrations by the celebrity chefs under the aegis of IFCA, the largest culinary association of India. We have the illuminated chefs from across India who have come here and are giving live demonstrations, live cookings are happening. We, on the side of it, we also have the wine tasting sessions. We have got 14 back-to-back wine tasting sessions going on, and though it is unfortunate that due to the excise policy which came out on the 17th of November, and due to which we had to say regrets to a lot of exhibitors from the wine and alcohol industry who could not exhibit. Despite that, we've had a very successful master classes, wine tasting, and we have about 20 of the exhibitors on the wine and alcohol section here, and a full attendance which is taking place. This perhaps is the only exhibition of the food and wine under one roof, where you have the master classes of the wines going one side, and on the other hand you have the live cooking by the celebrity chefs going. And it is also one of the reasons why the complete industry stakeholders, be it from the hospitality, be it from the chefs, be it from the retail, or be it from the complete stakeholder industry, meets with each other. So it's a perfect combination. In the past, we have seen wine tasting taking places in a small size in hotels and stuff like that, but here we have a full-blown under the exhibition, which is a B2B, and the response has been tremendous. For WinExpo, this is the curtain raiser, as we intend to now open up with a much bigger, larger scale exhibition which will take place in Mumbai in May, from 10th to 12th of May, alongside SIAL, and we're expecting a huge turnaround there. We already have intent of 80% of our exhibitors from SIAL who want to exhibit again in Mumbai. As far as WinExpo is concerned, a very strong response from our existing, plus the exhibitors who could not exhibit here, plus the exhibitors from the West are very keen to exhibit in Mumbai. So we're looking at at least 4 to 5 times the size of what we have in the WinExpo, and a very substantial increased size in SIAL. And hopefully, if by then international travel restrictions are taken away and international travel is allowed, obviously it'll be one of the biggest shows. And we at SIAL, we are perhaps the only exhibition of international food which is now in 4 different places in one fiscal year. We are in Delhi in December, we are in Meghalaya in Shillong from April 21 to April 23, which is right here, and then we are in Mumbai 10 to 12th of May, and then we are going to be in Varanasi, dates of which are going to be announced very shortly, and then we are back in Delhi. And likewise in WinExpo will be in Delhi, will be in Mumbai, co-located with SIAL, and there will be another chapter of WinExpo which will be announced very soon. So all in all, we are very, very pleased. We are very happy that end of the day our exhibitors are happy, the visitors are happy, and we have taken every possible COVID protocol. Everything has been taken care of, and the show has been a tremendous success, much more than we ever expected it to be. Thank you very much.